Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time you've come across this channel, please kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. So I'm here today with an amazing video. We are going to look at the benefits of ginger. We are going to look at how I use just 2 ingredients to cure stubborn cough in my poultry farm. We are going to look at the 2 ingredients which I've mentioned ginger before, and then with another ingredient. The second ingredient is red hot pepper. And look at it. I believe we can get this one anywhere. We can get it anywhere. So these are the 2 ingredients that I've used to cure chronic cough in my poultry farm. And we are going to look at the preparation and how often should we do that. So what we are about to do is to pound the ginger. Pound your ginger and your hot red pepper. You have to pound them together, or if you have a blender, if your blender is very strong, you can use your blender to blend both ginger and the red pepper. You have to pound it very well. So if you don't want to pass through the stress of pounding, and you have a ginger, and you have a blender, you can use your own blender to blend your ginger and your red hot pepper. So we have so many things that we are using to cure this stubborn cough, but today we are just looking at these 2 ingredients that you can get it anywhere. Even though ginger is a bit cost now, where we are now in my country, ginger is a bit cost. So pound your ginger and your hot red pepper. You mix it together. I'm not going to sieve it. I'm going to serve it like this. And after they might have finished drinking the water, I'll still give them the remaining ginger and pepper. I'm not going to throw it away. They are still going to feed on it. So we are going to serve them. This is what I used to do first thing in the morning. I don't normally give ginger in the hot afternoon. No, I only give ginger in the morning. After finishing this first one, The next thing I will do is to continue with fresh water 3 times.